Episode 17: Xavier's Impact on Medical and Healthcare Initiatives. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore the remarkable contribution of St Francis Xavier in the realm of medical and healthcare initiatives. Xavier's dedication to improving healthcare services and establishing medical facilities during his missionary endeavors left a profound and lasting impact on the regions he visited. Xavier's role in setting up hospitals and medical facilities. St Francis Xavier, beyond his missionary endeavors, recognized the importance of healthcare in promoting the well-being of the communities he served. His initiatives included the establishment of hospitals and medical facilities in various regions. Establishment of hospitals and healthcare centers. Xavier's vision for healthcare led to the founding of hospitals and healthcare centers. These institutions were critical in providing medical care to the local population and contributed significantly to the improvement of public health. Provision of medical services for communities. Xavier's establishments aimed to provide essential medical services to the local communities. These facilities catered to the sick, providing care, treatment, and healthcare support, thereby enhancing the quality of life for those in need. Holistic approach to health and healing. Xavier's approach to healthcare adopted a holistic perspective, focusing not only on physical healing but also on spiritual and emotional well-being. This approach was aligned with his broader mission of serving the whole person. Legacy of Xavier's healthcare initiatives. The legacy of Xavier's work in healthcare persisted long after his time. His initiatives contributed to the development and enhancement of healthcare systems, leaving a lasting impact on the regions he visited. Continuing influence on modern healthcare. Xavier's contributions in healthcare initiatives and the establishment of medical facilities were foundational in the development of modern healthcare systems in these regions. His initiatives served as a cornerstone for future medical advancements. Integration of healthcare with missionary work. Xavier's integration of healthcare with his missionary work emphasized the importance of serving the physical needs of the people in conjunction with their spiritual needs, creating a more comprehensive approach to the societal well-being. Xavier's compassionate care. Xavier's legacy in healthcare was not just about the establishment but also the compassionate care he and those who worked in these medical facilities provided to the sick and needy, reflecting his ethos of service and care. St. Francis Xavier's contribution in healthcare and medical initiatives were pivotal in improving the well-being of the communities he served. His establishment of hospitals and medical facilities provided vital care, leaving a legacy that endured and contributed to the development of modern healthcare systems in these regions. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's endeavors in healthcare underscore his commitment to the welfare and betterment of the communities he served, leaving a profound legacy in the realm of healthcare and medical missions.